In this video, I'm going to show you how to create text with an outline in Canva. So you need to start by heading over to the Canva website and clicking on Create a Design. Now in the left-hand navigation, select text and then just drag over the text that you want to add to your design. I'm just going to be using this text here as an example. So essentially there's two different types of outline effects that you can use in Canva. The first type of effect you can use is something called stroke. Now in order to apply this, click on Effects and then select Outline. Now what you can do is change the thickness of this outline of your text, and you can also change the outline color as well. So I'm going to apply a yellow to this like so, and I'm also going to reduce the thickness slightly. You can also change the text color by clicking on the color over here and applying the color that you want to change this text to. Now the second type of outline you can create is something called hollow. Now to do this, click on the effects again, and this time select hollow. Now as you can see, what that's going to do is make the inside color of this text invisible, and it's going to just leave an outline for the text itself. And then once again, you can change the thickness of these lines as well. If you want to change the color, once again, click on text color and we can change it over here. And these are just two simple methods to create outlines for your text in Canva. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.